tasty chicken patties. First of all, I will prepare some minced chicken and then I will take some onion with it and green chilies, oil and cook it for 10 minutes. Then I will add other spices, or you can add all the spices at the beginning. When it is almost done, I will add coriander leaf. Now puff pastry sheets needs to be prepared. You can close it just using your hand, or you can use fork just like me. It will give some texture. Egg wash it with a brush. Very simple yet very tasty. I hope you guys will like this video. Thank you.